ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1 and let me show you how to activate nightlight on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you have to slide down a bit and open display. Here you should pick nightlight, and now you can activate it just now by tapping on this switcher. As you can see, from now on nightlight is active, but you can personalize the intensity, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, so it's all up to you. You can obviously switch it off the same way. Then you can also schedule nightlight. Simply click on schedule and you can either turn it on from sunset to sunrise on, or you can custom some period of time. So let's click on start time to select the start hour. It can be 11, and then end hour can be 6 AM. So from now on, every day between 11 and 6, nightlight will be activated. So that would be all. This is how you can use nightlight in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.